Welcome to the 2012 Retro Truck Show.
We're here today at the Retro Truck Show to launch the new FH and FH16 range to the general public. It's a fantastic opportunity for Volvo, bearing in mind the popularity of the Volvo range amongst the collectors and enthusiasts. So we had a cavalcade this morning that included an F88, F10, FH12, the FH16 750 from last year, and of course the two new stars of the show, the FH and the new FH16. As part of that celebration, we're supporting the organisation with this special limited edition model signed by the design department with the help of Ashok George in Sweden to raise money for cancer charities.
My name's Terry. I had the opportunity to drive one of these for a company I work for, a long-standing Volvo customer, Laser Transport, little plug there for you, for them maybe. I've had the opportunity to drive it as well as previous Volvos that I've been allocated through the years. I can honestly say this one, well, it's a world apart from the others, and the others were good, you know, but this, I just announced it on being given a new vehicle to try out. I just didn't think nothing of it. Yeah, it'll have new bits and gizmos in it, softer controls maybe, and that'll be it. But I got in it and I was pleasantly surprised. You know, the way it drives and manoeuvrability, just all kinds of things. You know, manoeuvrability, and just drives so much more precise than the other ones. Not that there was anything wrong with the other ones, you know.
Here today because this is the first time anybody's ever seen them in the flesh.
Definitely.
To watch them coming down the road.
Yeah. And there's only, I think these two are the only two in the UK at the moment.
I love my 750. But this is great. Hi, we're here at the Retro Truck Show, Gate, and we've come to see the new FH16, but we've also come to launch our new magazine called Classic Truck, which features an F16 on the front cover.
Hi, I'm Alan Anderson, company Alec Anderson, Bowness. Put two vehicles at the Retro Show, the very first Volvo FH12 and also the first Volvo FH16 version 2. The new FH is impressive, it's come a long way from the other one. It'll be nice to see them when we get them on the road next year.